CAM UnZip is a simple yet powerful file compression and extraction tool designed for users who need an efficient way to manage zip files. Developed with ease of use in mind, it provides all the essential features needed to create, open, and manage zip archives. Whether you're a novice or an experienced user, CAM UnZip offers an intuitive interface that makes handling compressed files straightforward and hassle-free. One of the standout features of CAM UnZip is its ability to extract files from zip archives with just a few clicks. It supports quick and accurate extraction, ensuring that files are unpacked without errors. Additionally, it allows users to view the contents of a zip file before extracting it, giving them control over what files to extract. This feature is especially useful when dealing with large archives where users may not need all the files contained within. In addition to extraction, CAM UnZip supports the creation of zip archives, allowing users to compress files and folders for easier storage or sharing. The software provides options to customize the compression level, helping users balance file size and quality. It's an excellent tool for reducing the size of large files, making them easier to send via email or upload to cloud storage platforms. Another key feature of CAM UnZip is its ability to handle password-protected zip files. Users can create secure archives with encryption, ensuring that sensitive data remains protected from unauthorized access. This makes the software a reliable choice for anyone concerned about file security during transfer or storage. Overall, CAM UnZip is a versatile and reliable solution for managing zip files. Its lightweight design, user-friendly interface, and essential features make it a great tool for both personal and professional use. Whether you're compressing files for storage or extracting data from archives, CAM UnZip delivers a seamless and efficient experience.